Hello, happy holidays everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how I designed and made this year 2025 engineering awards. So just like in previous year, we're gonna stick with the tail fin shape. Seems to be very popular. So a little different this year. We're gonna have a base that is slightly angled, right? That's gonna receive the main piece, which is the translucent tail fin. And we're gonna have a little piece here, which is, I'll show you guys at the end what this does, but the name will be engraved here. So the message will be engraved on the tail fin and the name of the recipient will be right here, right? So everything's gonna be nested together into this base, which we're gonna 3D print this year, right? So it's gonna look like this, right? All right, so we imported the piece into my 3D printing software. We're gonna slice it up. Show you guys my G code right here, and we're gonna have a 15% infill in a gyroid pattern. So it's gonna print out just like that. Okay, so we're gonna send it to the printer. And we're gonna do matte black PLA this time. So yeah, that black looks pretty good. So let's send it over. I gotta clean this. Right, we are pretty ready. Here are the settings. We're gonna do 4 walls, 5 layers on top, 12 layers in the bottom. I need a sturdy base, and again 15% gyroid infill. So I'm gonna go ahead and send it to print. Do a quick calibration and start. All right, started printing. Takes about 3 hours just for the base. It's doing its thing, so we'll come back once it's done. All right, so while the base is being 3D printed, let's take care of the tail fin. Right, this part right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import it into my laser software. We're gonna cut it out of blue translucent acrylic, and with the message that you guys see here. So that's the preview. All right, so I have a piece of 5mm thick translucent blue acrylic. Let's cut this out. All right, that came out pretty good. So the engraving is about 1/4 millimeters deep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this up with white acrylic paint, so just to make the text really pop. So pretty cool. All right, let's check back with the printer. It's almost done, about a minute left, maybe less. And the base is done. 3 hours and 6 minutes. One done, 3 more to go. All right, so I have this blocks here. We're gonna engrave the recipients' names on them. So I have this jig set up on the laser. I like it. Right. We have the base ready, and we have the tail fin ready. That came out really nice. So in order to attach the tail fin onto the base, there's a recessed slot here where the tail fin is gonna go in about 1 inch, all the way up to this point. In order to attach that, I mean, it is a pressure fit, but in order to make it more secure, I will use a little bit of acrylic solvent. So this would chemically weld these two pieces together. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple dots inside like so, and insert it into the slot like so. So that's not going anywhere. And lastly, we got the name block here, which we're gonna basically put right on top. All right, so this is at an angle, right? So it makes the name face upwards a little bit. Right? Take it and it just falls right in place. And this thing is actually a flashlight. So if you double tap, you have a 600 lumens flashlight. And if you press and hold, see the red light? It becomes a hand warmer, and you got 3 levels of heat on your hands, right? Press and hold to shut it off, double tap a flashlight, and at any time you can press and check the battery life. Pretty cool. USB Type-C. To all my beloved engineers, happy holidays to all. Stuff is cool. Peace out, everyone.